Imagine waking up one morning, checking your bank account, and realizing your income has doubled, without winning the lottery or taking a risky gamble. Sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you that with the right strategy, discipline, and focus, this isn't a dream? In the next few minutes, I'll break down a realistic step-by-step plan that thousands of Americans have used to double their income in just 6 months. The key isn't working harder, it's working smarter, leveraging opportunities that are already available to you, and making small changes that compound faster than you think. The truth is, most people never reach their full earning potential because they cling to comfort zones and outdated methods. The economy has shifted, and opportunities are everywhere, waiting for those bold enough to seize them. Whether it's side hustles, investments, skill development, or leveraging your current career in innovative ways, you can transform your financial reality. By the end of this video, you won't just have ideas, you'll have a realistic blueprint for action. Stay with me because skipping this could mean staying stuck for another year. The first step to doubling your income is knowing your exact financial starting point. Most people never see where their money truly goes, which means they're blind to hidden opportunities. Create a detailed list of all your income sources, expenses, debts, and assets. This might feel tedious, but it's essential. When you understand your numbers, you can spot areas to cut costs, redirect funds, and invest smarter. Financial clarity is the foundation of wealth creation. Without it, every strategy is just guesswork. Once you've mapped your finances, the next move is to identify low-effort, high-return opportunities. Think about skills or services you can monetize quickly. Could you freelance online, offer consulting, or sell digital products? Americans are increasingly earning massive side income through platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even starting simple online businesses. The key is to find something you're good at, package it professionally, and commit to consistent execution. Within months, these extra streams could surpass your main income. Step 2 is investing in yourself, not vague motivational books, but practical skill building that directly increases your market value. In the US, high-paying skills like digital marketing, copywriting, coding, and sales are in constant demand. You can learn many of these online for a fraction of the cost of traditional education. Even dedicating 1 hour a day consistently over 6 months can transform your earning potential. But here's the twist: learning alone isn't enough. You must apply your skills in real-world situations immediately. That's how income doubles. You're not just preparing, you're producing. Take freelance gigs, internships, or micro-projects. The more you implement, the faster your value compounds. Remember, the market rewards action, not potential. This is where many fail. They learn endlessly but never take the leap that converts knowledge into money. Step 3 is leveraging your current job or business. Most Americans are sitting on untapped income potential. Can you negotiate a raise based on measurable results? Can you propose new revenue streams or efficiencies that save your company money? Every measurable contribution you make can be translated into extra income. If you're an entrepreneur, analyze which parts of your business generate the highest profit margins and double down on them. Stop wasting energy on low-return tasks. Automate, delegate, or eliminate anything that doesn't bring measurable results. By focusing on high-impact activities, your income grows exponentially without increasing stress or hours worked. Step 4 is building multiple streams of income. Relying on a single source of money is risky and limits your potential. Start small, invest in dividend stocks, create a small digital product, or monetize a hobby. Even passive income streams that generate a few $100s a month can compound significantly when paired with your main income. Here's a secret many Americans overlook: consistency beats intensity. You don't need to launch 10 streams at once. Focus on one at a time, do it well, and then scale. Each additional income stream acts like a turbocharger for your finances, pushing you closer to the doubling goal faster than any single job ever could. Step 5 is networking strategically. Your income is not just about what you know, it's about who you know. Surround yourself with ambitious, like-minded people who push you to act. Attend industry events, join online communities, or connect on LinkedIn. Every meaningful connection could lead to a new client, job opportunity, or collaboration that directly boosts your earnings. Here's the hidden advantage. Learning from those who have already doubled their income is faster than figuring it out yourself. Mentors, accountability partners, and professional networks accelerate growth. People often underestimate the value of guidance. Following a proven path reduces mistakes and catapults you ahead of peers who rely solely on trial and error. Step 6 is managing risk smartly. Doubling income doesn't mean gambling, it means calculated risk. Whether you're investing in stocks, a small business, or a new skill, assess what you can afford to lose and plan accordingly. The US offers plenty of platforms for low-risk investments, side hustles, and freelance opportunities. With proper planning, your risk is minimal compared to the upside potential. Here's the critical insight. Fear of failure keeps most people trapped in low-paying jobs. By embracing calculated risks, you create paths for exponential growth. Remember, the biggest financial leaps in history came from those who dared to act while others hesitated. Your future self will thank you for the bold moves you make today. Step 7 is tracking and adjusting your plan weekly. Income doubling is not static, it requires constant feedback. Keep a journal of earnings, new opportunities, lessons learned, and mistakes. Are your side hustles generating results? Are your investments performing as expected? Adjust weekly, not monthly. Small course corrections compound over 6 months into massive results. Equally important, celebrate small wins. Every extra $100, $500, or $1,000 is proof that your methods work. Momentum fuels motivation, and motivation fuels more action. The journey to doubling your income is as much psychological as it is financial. With consistent tracking, you not only build wealth, you build confidence that can't be taken away. Step 8 is mindset mastery. Income doubling requires thinking differently than the average American. Scarcity thinking keeps you stuck, abundance thinking opens doors. Visualize your goal daily, believe it's achievable, and act as if it's inevitable. Every time you hesitate, remind yourself that millions of people have done it before. You're no different. Combine mindset with action, and your results accelerate. Many fail because they act without belief or believe without action. You need both, clear mental vision and relentless execution. When you master your mindset, obstacles become opportunities, setbacks become lessons, and income doubling becomes inevitable rather than impossible. Finally, take the leap and commit fully. Doubled income doesn't happen accidentally. It happens for those willing to make consistent, deliberate choices. Commit to your plan, track your results, adjust weekly, and never settle for mediocrity. In 6 months, your financial life can look completely different, not because of luck, but because of strategic, disciplined action. If you're ready to transform your life, hit that subscribe button, because every week I share actionable steps that turn ordinary Americans into financial powerhouses. Don't wait another day to live the life you deserve. Hit like, comment your first step below, and join the community that refuses to stay average. Your 6-month journey starts today. Don't miss a single step.